This week in LeTip of Dallas, we have a lot to share, so let's get started. We have business waiting for people in these categories. If you would like to claim this business, then come visit us this week so we can show you how. We are also looking to fill these categories. Members of our group have expressed the ability to send business to these categories. If you would like to claim one of these categories, then come visit us this week so we can show you how. Our featured speaker this week is Nathan Valentine of Valentine Automotive. Too busy to take your vehicle to the dealership or to your repair shop? Then call Nathan. He will come out to your location and work on your vehicle so you can go about your day without waiting. Join us each week at the original Pancake House in Addison. Our networking begins at 11:30 a.m., though many people come earlier. Bring plenty of business cards, have a 10-second introduction about yourself personally, and have a 30-second commercial about your business. Let us show you why we believe in putting dollars in your pocket.